Investigation of solutions. This is where we use the internet or search through magazines or catalogues or even use your textbooks to find existing solutions to the problems that need to be solved on your brief. Simply flick through a magazine. Here I can see a toy of a snowmobile. You may get some ideas for the front steering or rear propulsion from this. The next page, I see some radio controlled cars. Again, you may get ideas for steering or even grip on the rubber wheels. I have cut out some products here for clarity. These are of scooters. You might get steering here and also here. Likewise with these toys here. Simply type in snowmobiles into your search engine and you will see an array of different types. These may show you existing solutions on the market. Likewise with simple steering mechanisms, type this into your search engine and you will see what solutions are out there. And do this with all of the other problems you may wish to research, like single vehicle seating. In the brief it says it should only seat one person. So these are the different types of seats vehicles may have. Investigation of solutions. The first step here is to outline what solutions are existing on the market. The first one I found was the more common type, with tracks as a rear propulsion unit and two front skis. The second is based on a quad bike, with tracks replacing its wheels. And the third is the more vintage old design, which is very simple and has a rear propulsion unit as tracks and two front skis. The next step is to pose the problems to solve. Use these problems or parts of the snowmobile, for instance its rear propulsion unit or steering unit, as your headings. Then show the solutions you investigated under each of these headings. Let's see. So, solution 1. It is based on a go-kart steering mechanism with linkages which drag the skis left and right to steer. The second solution I have outlined in black for clarity for this video. Make sure yours is nice and neat with a sharp pencil. This one is based on a motorbike steering mechanism with the two shafts connected to two closely placed skis. And the third solution is based on the traditional rack and pinion steering type, which also drag the skis to the left or right. So approaching the rest of this, you continue to use each part of the snowmobile or the problem to solve as the headings, and then display the solutions you investigated under these headings.